In RotaCloud, each location you create will be a separate rota. You can assign employees to work at the location or rota and can assign a manager to oversee it. If you're an admin level user, you can add a location by going to your Company tab and selecting Locations. Here, click the blue plus icon at the top of the page, then enter the location name and optional address. If you have already added your employees to your account, you can scroll down and tick which ones will be working at that location. When you're happy, just click Add. Your location will now show on your rotas page.